In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text move in CapCut, so you can animate your titles and captions and make your videos look more professional and dynamic. First, open the CapCut app and start a new project, or select an existing one you want to edit. Make sure your main video clip is already on the timeline, because we're going to place the animated text on top of that. Zoom in a bit on the timeline if you need to, so you can see exactly where you want the text to appear. Next, tap on the text option, choose Add Text, then type in the words you want to animate. This could be a title, a label, or even just a fun word for emphasis. Once you've typed it, you can drag the text box on the preview screen to position it where you want it to start. Take a moment here to also adjust the font, color, and size so it matches your video style. It's much easier to design the look before you animate it. Now, to make the text move, select the text layer on the timeline and look for the animation or keyframe controls, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. If you see preset animations like in, out, and loop, you can start by choosing an in animation, such as slide in from left or right, or a simple fade. This will automatically create movement when the text appears. If you want more control, use keyframes. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to begin. With the text layer selected, tap the keyframe icon. Then, on the preview screen, position and scale the text where you want it to start. Maybe off-screen or smaller than normal. Move the playhead forward a second or two, then adjust the text to its final position and size. CapCut will automatically create a smooth motion between those two keyframes, making your text travel from the starting point to the ending point. Play it back to see how it looks. If the movement feels too fast or too slow, drag the keyframes closer together or further apart on the timeline. You can repeat this process to add more movement, like sliding out or changing direction halfway through. Finally, watch the entire clip to make sure the animated text matches your video's pacing. When you're happy with it, you're ready to export and share your project, now with clean, eye-catching moving text created in CapCut.